Hi everyone, it's Artist from Man Carving and Construction Limited. Today's video we're gonna review this Makita Compound Saw LS002G. The saw comes with, the saw I got came with 2.5 amp batteries, charger, obviously fence guides, they are in as part of it, a blade. This is to secure your timber so it doesn't move around when you need it, and the square. So as this is my first 40-volt purchase, obviously I had to get charger and everything else to it, but in terms of price, these with what you can see here are about £840 in UK. But obviously you might be able to find some deals online. I got this particular saw from Sterling Power Tools, so go check them out. They might be able to do some deals to you as well, and I think their website has launched now, so a new updated website where you could check other tools you might be interested in. So yeah. Also, it comes with a chip, Bluetooth chip for your extraction. Obviously, I don't have a Makita extractor itself at the minute, so I might be getting that sometime, because it's only tool at 40 volt what I have. I don't really use Hoover itself, and I would only need it for this particular machine, so hence why I haven't purchased it yet. But obviously, if as and when I do have more 40 volt range, I might be switching to that too. So yeah, that's about the saw. Saw's weight is from 16.4 to 17.4 kilos, so that's another very good good thing to know, because it obviously it's light, and yeah, it's just handy tool. So I did some skirtings yesterday, and it's just brilliant. You grab your one box, so I bought a box for charger and batteries, put everything in, just take two things up, and that's it, done. So yeah, cross cut, the stats of the cut, what depth it can do, I'll put on the screen. Downside of this saw will be that it won't be able to do same thickness timber as your 10-inch or 12-inch blade, so this is more for finishing stuff. So second fix, skirtings, architraves, etc. Maybe stud work, but not big lumpy timber. So to disengage your crosscut, you press this and you spin, and obviously it goes from 60 to 60 degrees, which is another brilliant feature. Then on your bevels you got 45 both sides, so obviously for your 45 on the left, you just need to release this screw, and for other side, what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to pull this, pull that, pull this lever here, and then you can go to other side. And again, to tighten it in the desired position, you need to tighten this up. So to get it up again, you release that, and it clicks in a position. So this triangle, plastic triangle, is for you to check your squareness of the cut, which I have done. So you can put it, offer it like so and like so, to make sure that you can get your cut square. If not, you need to adjust it. Another great feature is you've got twin extraction, so that's what is a lot better from the previous gen saws what I've seen and used. So so it has twin extraction, so you've got a hose which runs and sucks air from there and also from the top, and so it creates a lot less dust. So yeah, it's very easy to use. So this also you can press down, push it up, and then it will engage in your common angles. Like so. It's quite simple. But to be able to engage in common angles, you need to press down first, start moving, and put it back, and then you slide, and then it will engage in your common angles. In terms of cutting, let's see how it performs. So this is not original blade, because my first job was cutting cement board cladding. So another great feature, what I've noticed compared to powered power tools, when you cut your 45 on your skirtings or arc drives or whatever you're doing, it doesn't flick the piece back as much, because it's got that soft brake and it engages quicker, and also it's not as powerful, so it wouldn't flick it as it would be with 110, which I had a lot. So if you've been cutting something on your say on a 45, you would cut it. I'll show you. As you can see, these pieces don't fly, don't shoot away, but they just fall off, and yeah, that's another great feature which I noticed. To change your blade, here's an Allen key. Obviously take the battery out, so you need to hold your guard up, undo the bolt, then you're going to put Allen key in here. You then need to press this button. This button is what locks the blade. I'm not going to be taking it off, but you just, yeah, press the button, you'll engage, and you can undo your nut. So I'm just going to tighten back up. So that is my review of this Makita compound mounted saw. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, and if you would like me to review more tools, please let me know below in comments, and I'll try to arrange more reviews for you. Also, I can review tools I use if you're interested. In general, like impact drivers, etc. And I'll give you my honest review on what I think whether it's worth it or not. So far, this saw seems to be great. Obviously, I had 2 weeks with it only, so but already I can say this is great because of the new functions they have added, and for extraction as well. Yesterday when I was cutting the skirtings, I used extraction, and there's a lot less dust, so you know it's just a lot better and easier to control with that control at the front. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.